I got in touch with Evie. They called me at home and talked about a new product that they warmly recommended. A product that only uses water to clean the home. And since I have a son with asthma and allergies, I became curious about this product. They told me that they came completely modest and I had no obligation to buy anything. They just wanted to demonstrate their product. So I thought about this offer and I decided I had nothing to lose. I invited them into my home. When they arrived, they asked me to fetch all my daily chemicals and they showed me how I could use EV instead of all these bottles. It has a variety of brushes and nozzles, so depending on what you want to clean, you're able to choose one that serves the right purpose. It's easy to change the outlets depending on what you are cleaning at the moment. I had a stain on a carpet, and that stain annoyed me for many years. I just couldn't get rid of it. It didn't matter what I tried. The seller asked me if he was allowed to try with EV, and I said absolutely, go ahead. He took the nozzle that just sprayed hot steam, and at the same time he used a cloth. He kept the cloth over the stain and sprayed with hot steam in batches while drying, and suddenly, as by magic, the stain disappeared. Then we went to the oven and the grills. Well, they look like they do in an oven that is 10 years old. He put on another nozzle and he showed how to slowly clean the grid. And where the EV goes forward, it is now a clean grid behind it. And somewhere there I felt like, I want this. After that, the salesman continued with EV. There were toilets, it was the sink and the bathrooms. Yes, I decided I really wanted one. You put out a certain amount of money, but then you have the machine at home for you to use whenever you need it. After some time you get to know the product and you discover new uses for it along the way.